Hello, good morning, my dear friends. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Learn English Words Daily. Dear friends, before we go through the entire content of this video, I request you people to read the disclaimer completely till the end and then proceed further. My dear friends, I once again welcome you all to lesson 205 of today's video. In this lesson, let us try to explore the different ways or the stylish ways of saying happy birthday. Yes, friends, just saying happy birthday may not make you more comfortable. So, there are different stylish ways or beautiful ways of saying happy birthday, maybe to your friend or your family members or maybe to your colleagues. The ways or the stylish way of saying happy birthday will definitely make them more joyful and feel respectable towards you. Dear friends, let's proceed further and try to explore the different ways or versatile ways or stylish ways of saying happy birthday. Dear friends, when once you go through this video completely and if you feel the content provided in this video as very much useful to you, please give a like to this video. Also, kindly share your comments and suggestions in the description box. Your suggestions are highly valuable for me because they will going to help me to improve the content of this video going forward. Dear friends, please share this video with your friends and relatives who are very much interested to learn different English words on daily basis. Dear friends, here is the first stylish way of saying birthday wishes to your friends or colleagues or your relatives. Instead of just saying happy birthday, you can say wish you an ecstatic birthday. Yes, the meaning of ecstatic means excited, joyful, happy, pleased. Dear friends, after listening to your stylish way of saying an ecstatic birthday, definitely your friend or a relative or a colleague will feel proud about you. So let's proceed further and see which are all the other stylish ways of saying happy birthday. Dear friends, instead of saying happy birthday, there is other way of saying birthday wish to your friend, relative or colleague. And that is, you can say wish you a jubilant birthday. The meaning of jubilant is rejoicing, elated, prideful, proud. Dear friends, don't you think your friend or a colleague or a relative will feel so proud about you if they hear a jubilant birthday rather than just hearing happy birthday? My dear friends, instead of just saying happy birthday, you can also say in a stylish way as wish you a blissful birthday. Yes, the meaning of blissful is cheerful, hopeful, smiling, buoyant. Yes, friends, this is another stylish way of saying birthday to your nearest and dearest ones. My dear friends, here is another stylish way of saying birthday wishes to your friend. You can say, wish you an exuberant birthday. The meaning of exuberant is lively, bubbly, vivacious, joyful. Dear friends, I'm very much sure your friend will definitely feel so proud about you if he or she listens to you saying exuberant birthday. My dear friends, here is another stylish way of saying birthday wishes. You can say, wish you a propitious birthday instead of just saying happy birthday. The meaning of propitious is promising, favorable, hopeful, comforting. Dear friends, let's proceed further and see which are all the other versatile or stylish ways of saying happy birthday wishes. Dear friends, just don't say happy birthday. You can say wish you a gleeful birthday. Yes, the word gleeful means mirthful, joyful, amusing, spirited. So, the word gleeful has got more weightage than just saying happy birthday. Dear friends, instead of just saying happy birthday, you can say in a more stylish way as wish you a magnificent birthday. The word magnificent means impressive, glorious, majestic, superb. Dear friends, if your friend or relative listens to you saying magnificent birthday, definitely they will feel more proud about you. Dear friends, here is another way of saying happy birthday. You can say wish you a glorious birthday. The meaning of glorious is excellent, imposing, illustrious, marvelous. Dear friends, don't you think it will carry more weightage if you say glorious birthday instead of just saying happy birthday? Dear friend, if any of your friend, colleague, or a relative is celebrating his birthday by spending huge amount of money and giving costly parties and all, you can go and say him, wish you a spectacular birthday, because the meaning of spectacular is extravagant, splashy, flamboyant, showy. So, if your friend or a relative is spending huge amount of money in celebrating his birthday, then definitely the word spectacular birthday is the most ideal way of saying birthday wish. My dear friends, if you want your friend to be always happy and always lively, then you can go and say, wish you a cheerful birthday. The meaning of cheerful is smiling, optimistic, winsome, lively. Dear friends, instead of just saying happy birthday, you can go and say, wish you an exhilarating birthday. The meaning of exhilarating is inspiring, fascinating, exciting, enthralling. So, if you say, wish you an exhilarating birthday, I'm very much sure your friend will feel more proud about you. Dear friends, here is another stylish way of saying birthday. You can say, wish you a delightful birthday. The meaning of delightful is charming, comforting, grateful, fascinating. Now let's proceed further and see which are all the other stylish ways of saying happy birthday. Dear friends, here is another versatile way of saying happy birthday. You can say, wish you a pleasant birthday. The meaning of pleasant is pleasing, gracious, gratifying, blissful. Dear friends, if you want your friends or relatives or colleagues to be always healthy, then you can go and say them, wish you a healthful birthday. The meaning of healthful is healthy, refreshing, salutary, rejuvenating. Dear friends, if you want your friend to be more healthy always, you can go and say him, wish you a salubrious birthday. The meaning of salubrious is wholesome, healthful, salutiferous, alleviative. Dear friends, I am very much sure your friend, a relative, or a colleague will definitely feel so kind about you if you say them salubrious birthday instead of just saying happy birthday. Dear friends, if you want your friend, a relative, or a colleague to be more successful or to grow up better in his life, then you can go and say him, wish you a flourishing birthday. The meaning of flourishing is prosperous, thriving, triumphant, promising. My dear friends, if you want your relative or a friend or a colleague to acquire more material wealth and become very rich in life, you can go and say him, wish you a prosperous birthday. The meaning of prosperous is opulent, wealthy, booming, flourishing. Dear friends, if you want the opposite person who is celebrating his birthday to be extraordinarily rich, you can go and wish him like, wish you an affluent birthday. The meaning of affluent is privileged, well off, prospering, flourishing. Dear friends, if you want your friend, a colleague, or a relative to be always very, very happy and enjoying, you can wish him like, wish you a mirthful birthday. The meaning of mirthful is cheerful, blithesome, lively, spirited. Dear friends, if you want the opposite person who is celebrating his birthday and if he is very rich and royal, you can go and wish him like, wish you a resplendent birthday. The meaning of resplendent is glorious, charming, dazzling, magnificent. Dear friends, if that person hears you saying, wish you a resplendent birthday, instead of saying just happy birthday, definitely he will feel more proud about you and you will have great respect from him. My dear friends, today you have learned 20 different ways of saying birthday wishes to your friends, relatives, or colleagues. I am very much sure henceforth you are confident of saying birthday wishes in a very stylish way. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. See you very soon with another list of wishes to your friends, relatives, or colleagues on this channel. Learn English words daily. Till then, take care.